Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. In fact, you must. And I know that you can and you will. As in the intro, I have used some of the words how are you. In the sentence, the word is are. In the next sentence, I hope you all are doing well. Doing is the next word. And in the last one, can and will. Can you guess what are these words? Or can you imagine a sentence without those words? For example, if I say, how you, is it meaningful? Not at all. We need to use the word are. And I know you can or you will. So in that sentence, can and will, without that, we are unable to make any meaningful sentence. In short, these are the verbs in English. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. The words used to express action, state of being something, or occurrence, we call it as verbs. So, we are going to study today verbs and its forms, verbs and its types. For example, break, come, go, sing, may, might, can, could, am, is, are, was, were, do, does, to go, to swim. These are certain verbs. So what are the forms of the verbs? What are the types of the verbs? That we'll see. The verbs are divided into different types. For example, main verbs, auxiliary verbs, finite verbs, non-finite verbs, transitive verbs, intransitive verbs, phrasal verbs, or modal auxiliary verbs. In the first part of the verb, we will see two parts of the verb, main verbs and auxiliary verbs. So what are main verbs? Main verbs may be further divided into three more types: regular verbs, irregular verbs, and non-changeable verbs. So what are regular verbs? The verbs whose second form and third form changes after adding ed to the verb, after adding the suffix ed to the verb. For example, play, played, played, clean, cleaned, cleaned, manage, managed, managed, work, worked, worked. So in the above all the verbs, ed is added at the end of the main verb. So those verbs are called regular verbs. So what are irregular verbs? Irregular verbs are those verbs whose first form, second form, and third forms are completely different. For example, swim, swam, swum, drink, drank, drunk. These are certain examples that may come under irregular verbs. Now, the third part in main verbs is non-changeable verbs. Non-changeable verbs, the three forms of non-changeable verbs are same. For example, put, 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 cut, 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 hit, 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 etc. Moving ahead, the second part of the verb, that is auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs are divided into two more types: primary verbs and modal auxiliary verbs. In primary verbs are subdivided into three more types: to be form of the verb, to do form of the verb, and to have form of the verb. In to be form of the verb, am, is, are in present tense, was and were in past tense, shall be and will be in future tense. And in to do form of the verb, do and does, present tense, did in the past, and in to have form of the verb, have and has present tense, had past tense. So these are the examples of primary verbs. To be form of the verb, one example in sentence that we'll see, I was busy. Was is the to be form of the verb. Do and does and did. She does a work. Does is the to do form of the verb. Have and has. I have a car. Have form of the verb. Moving ahead, modal auxiliary verbs. Modal auxiliary verbs are can, could, may, might, shall, and should. Modal auxiliary verbs we would discuss in the next part. Thank you very much.